my Osprey 45-liter carry-on bag. This is what I'm going to use to take on as a carry-on on the aircraft to put my camera gear in there. Specifically, I'll be carrying maybe 2 different Fuji bodies, a couple lenses, my drone. I'm going to be taking my Mini 3 Pro, and I'll be taking probably a DJI Action 4 cam and maybe the DJI Pocket 3. And maybe the Insta360. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I can take. I think I have too much gear, but it's like hard drives. You can never have enough. So again, this is the Osprey 45-liter carry-on, and I'll show this one after that. So let me put this away. And of course, what you see in front of you is the Osprey 45-liter carry-on bag. And again, this bag is unique in the sense of it has rollers, and it also has the ability to do backpack. And that was the biggest selling point there, was that I could roll this if I needed to, and if I had to go upstairs or something like that, because I am going to stay in a couple of bed and breakfast places. My assumption is there's not going to be any elevators there, so I'll probably need this. So with that, we'll just start here. Backpack straps, and it has waist strap. A place to put your identification for your bag. The carrying handle here, which if you squeeze tight, you can pull it out. Strap. No strap here, but it has the ability to do what they call straight jacket, and I'll show you in a second. Handheld here, strap here, and finally strap here. And again, I think I've shown this in the previous ones. Right now this is the normal configuration, but if I really need to make it smaller to fit it on an aircraft, what I can do is unconnect this, make this longer, and connect this to the far side. And then cinch down and make it even a small form factor for the aircraft. And I can do both that, like that. And then of course the inside of it. Similar to the other bags that you've seen, you're going to have a mesh pocket and then a solid pocket on the side. The mesh pocket, solid unseen, tie down straps inside, and the ability to place it through these if you want to keep the straps in place while you're working it, for an example like that. And then there's also a small pocket here. Let me do this. This is that theft protection thing that we talked about before, which is a pain in the butt sometimes. Again, I just pulled this out of the bag, so I'm working it as we can. And there's your additional pocket here. Not the softest in there, but not bad. I think, where did I see it before? I think the Peak Design has really soft, and also the airbags and the Bellroys. And the last thing, and I'm not really sure if I covered it, this is an additional strap that allows you to connect another bag to it so you can piggyback off of it. So again, this is the Osprey Sojourn 45-liter bag, and I'll be using it for carry-on. This trip, going back to the US, I'll be doing 7 segments while back in the US, between going to Boston, Dallas, Charlotte, Raleigh, and what's the last place? GSO. What's GSO? Piedmont. Greensboro. So those are, and then of course back to Dallas. So it should be a good trip. A lot of flying, but it's okay. I'm working on my miles as usual. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell to see all my adventures, both old and new. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya.